Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to G22 sa bago nilang kanta titled is La Akong Pake. This is official music video. I guess this is the very first time that we actually going to listen to a brand new song from G22 now. So I am really excited, man. I'm really excited. They have a lot of collaboration with SB19. That's how G22 was introduced to me with with their collab with SB19. So and this girl group is just fucking dope, man. Just fucking dope. But I'm really excited with this, man. Without no further ado, let's get it. Oh. What is happening here? Parang kulto vibe eh. Nakawa na sa SB19. Sila ba yung nasa loob ng box? Okay.
Napaghahalataan ko na sila. Akala nila di ko nakikita. Di nagsisinungaling mga mata. Akala nila sa'kin ang parusa. Nasa paligid-ligid lang mga taong nahihibang. Naghihintay-hintay lang sa tsansang ika'y paslang. Nakikipagtago-tago-tago-tagoan. Kitang-kita naman harap-harapan. Sinong talo-talo-talo-talunan, ikaw ang talunan. Kasi la akong pake.
Okay. Oh, we have this parang anong bansa to? Sila ano yun? Forgot the artist name. Parang Bud Bunny ba yun? Bud Bunny. Yeah, parang ganung vibe na.
Kasi la akong pake.
Hey.
Sabi, tumabi-tabi.
Okay. Dung. Ganda nun ah. Parang trailer ng movie eh.
Sabi, tumabi-tabi. Kahit ulit-ulit pangsubukan tibagin sa pangarap pa rin. Ako nakatingin, di mayayanig. Masasakit na salita pa ang wikain nyo. I keep on talking, I keep on winning. Di makikinig kahit pa they keep on trying.
Ganda lang kahit iba-iba, kahit ano pang ano yun, ang wikain nyo, diba? And then after that, change to English.
Yayanig, masasakit na salita pa ang wikain nyo. I keep on talking, I keep on winning. Di makikinig kahit pa they keep on trying. In my empire, I won't start a fire. I trust nobody, if I could be an enemy, yeah. Sa paligid-ligid lang mga taong nahihibang. Naghihintay-hintay lang sa tsansang ika'y paslang. Nakikipagtago-tagoan. Kita-kita naman harap-harapan. Sinong talo-talo-talo-talunan, ikaw ang talunan.
Okay. Oh, saan tatlo play yun? Okay.
Kasi la akong pake. Sabi, tumabi-tabi. Hanggang salita lang yan sila. Hindi ako magpapadala, hindi magpapahila.
Laki ng boses niya, no? Ngayon ka na-realize, no? Ang laki ng boses niya.
Lang yan sila, hindi ako magpapadala, hindi magpapahila pababa. Tiwala, itataya, itatago sa tala.
Oh shit. Dang. So basically, ang tema ng kanta is parang walang pakay doon sa mga nagkasabi na parang yung mga naririnig nila, no, na sabi-sabi na, for example, like mga negative comments about them, maybe. So basically, that is the meaning of the song technically, no. Wala akong pakay. Nice, man. Love the production of the beat, man. Wala akong pake. Let's go. Alright, well again, that's G22, Wala akong pake. I mean, it's a great song, though. I'm actually just I'm expecting na we're going to have like a bit of a, kasi based sa beat, I don't know, nag-expect ako based sa beat. Kasi ang ganda ng beat niya, no? Sobrang na-impress ako sa production ng kanta. I guess nag-expect ako na magkakaroon siya ng parang ng rap na part, you know, or like maybe kahit na medyo melodic, basta, you know, fast pace. Kasi parang bagay siya dun sa beat. Pero overall, man, still slappers, no? G22, man. Wala akong pake. Alright, well, that's a reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-react yung artist, man. Singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.